Now children will see density of population. Children, density of population is defined as a number of person per square kilometer. Understood? It is an important index of population which shows concentration of population in a particular area. As per provisional population totals of census 2011, the population density of India has gone up to 382 persons per square kilometer from 325 persons per square kilometer in 2001. On an average, 57 more people inhabit every square kilometer in the country as compared to decade ago. So density of population means the number of person per square kilometer. Understood? Per square person, number of person per square kilometer, मतलब per square kilometer में कितने person है. So वो हमारे country का डाटा 382 person per square kilometer. India has gone up. इंडिया में 382 पर्सन पर स्क्वायर किलोमीटर आपको मिलेंगे. अंडरस्टूड? कंपेयर टू 2001 इट वाज लेस 325. नाउ इट हैज गॉन अप. और अभी का तो जो डाटा है वो और ज़्यादा हो सकता है. ठीक है. सो दिस इज द डेंसिटी ऑफ पॉपुलेशन. नाउ यूज ऑफ ब्रेन पावर. दिस एक्टिविटी इज गिवन इन योर टेक्स्ट बुक. यू आर सपोज टू डू. Per person is equal to 80 people. So you calculate the population density of area shown in 1 square kilometer square in A and B. So you have to multiply that. Understood? So calculation is given here. I am just giving you for your reference. Figure A, population density 80 into 16. 80 means one person is 80 into 16. So how many you calculate, how many persons are there? 16. So this you can do by yourself. So now we'll see map of India showing population distribution. So index is also given. So sparsely populated, densely populated. So deep red color or reddish color, yellow color, Thar desert, you know that why population is less in that places. So where you can see reddish deep color, that is more densely populated. Understood? So you can see the place northern belt of Himalaya, that place, and in the Deccan part you can see some shading is given. Pink color, what is the light pink, it is sparsely populated. So in the Himalayan region, northeastern region, that is sparsely populated. But if you come to the central part, that is northern belt, you can see a little bit darker or deeper red color surrounding. So that is the fertile land. You know that the why population is more in the northern belt of our country, because of the fertile soil, availability of water. So many industries are set up there. Farming is also favorable, trade or everything is there. So population is more concentrated in that particular area. Or also come to Deccan part, same condition is applicable there. So this is the concentration of population in our country. Now come to this figure. This is given in your textbook also. Population density. So that is 1 dot is 2 lakh people. So you can see more concentration of population in the northern belt and in the Deccan part, but very less dots you can see in the extreme northern part, that is Himalayan range, and to the western part, that is towards the desert area, Thar desert area, and to the northeastern part. So you know why this condition is there, because of the geographical and climatic condition. Understood? So you can see, come to this map, density of population. The same map is given in your textbook also. Density of population. So according to shades, if you'll see the index, light shade, starting from light shade, that is less than 100, again 100 to 250, 251 to 500, and deep color is deep color denotes more than 500. So where you can see more density of population, area is less, but per person, per square kilometer, how many persons are more person, because land is less, population is more. So their population density is more. So you can figure out from this map, which is also given in your textbook.